Requiring FIDO2 security keys for Microsoft Entra ID Conditional Access. Microsoft Entra ID, formerly Azure Active Directory, allows organizations to enforce secure, passwordless authentication methods like FIDO2 security keys. By configuring a conditional access policy, you can require FIDO2 security keys when users join their Windows devices to Microsoft Entra ID, ensuring a secure and seamless authentication process. What is conditional access? Conditional access is a feature in Microsoft Entra ID that applies policies based on conditions like user behavior, device type, or authentication method. This allows organizations to enforce security rules tailored to specific scenarios. Steps to require FIDO2 security keys. Follow these steps to configure a conditional access policy for requiring FIDO2 security keys. Step 1. Define target resources. 1. Log in to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. 2. Navigate to Security, Conditional Access. 3. Click plus New Policy and name it, e.g. FIDO2 for Windows Join. 4. Under Cloud Apps or Actions, select User Actions and choose Register or Join Devices. Step 2. Configure conditions. 1. In the Conditions section, click Device Platforms. 2. Select Windows as the target platform to apply the policy only to Windows devices. Step 3. Set Grant Controls. 1. Under Grant, select Require authentication strength. 2. Choose the passwordless authentication FIDO2 option to enforce FIDO2 security keys for authentication. Step 4. Enable the policy. 1. Set the policy to report-only mode to test it without enforcing. 2. After verifying the setup, switch the policy to on for enforcement. Benefits of using FIDO2 security keys. 1. Enhanced security. Eliminates the risk of phishing and credential theft. 2. Passwordless authentication. Streamlines user login with faster and more secure methods. 3. Compliance. Aligns with zero trust principles and regulatory requirements. Use case example. An IT administrator wants to enforce passwordless authentication when employees register their Windows devices with Microsoft Entra ID. By creating a conditional access policy, the organization ensures that only users with FIDO2 security keys can complete the device registration process, securing the environment against unauthorized access. Conclusion. Requiring FIDO2 security keys for Windows device registration in Microsoft Entra ID ensures a high level of security and aligns with modern passwordless authentication strategies. By using conditional access, organizations can easily enforce this requirement while maintaining a seamless user experience. Start